Hi, and welcome to the Outwell Do-It-Yourself workshop. I'm here today to show you how to replace a tube on a smart air tent or an air tent. Start by fully pitching your tent as you see here, and then we need to go inside and close off all the valves. So come on, let's take a look inside. Start by turning off the lid here so you close each cap like this and continue forward throughout the tent. Like this. Just gently remove these toggles here so you can get to the back. In this specific case, we want to replace the second tube. So what we need to do is we need to remove the valves connecting the tube to the interlinking tubes. So start by taking the lid off here. The air will escape once you do this. The tube is now ready to be replaced. Start by unzipping the complete tube. At the bottom of the tube, two valves are placed beneath this fabric. So you need to open in here and you need to take this one out. Before we can remove the tube completely, we need to go to the outside of the tent and remove the outside valve. The next step is to remove the outside valve. Simply just screw off the lid again. Remove the valve. Remember to save the valve. Step 3, now remove the cap from the tube at both sides. Once this has been done, the tube can be removed. I have my replacement tube here at the ground, and you need to remember to save these two lids because they will be needed in this. The zipper at the tube should always point downwards. Connect the valves again. Push the gray tube over the valve. Make sure it's completely in and put on the cap again. Repeat this process at the other side as well. The tube now needs to be zipped back in place. Start at the bottom. Make sure that the valves go on the outside of the fabric. There's two holes here. There's a Velcro around the inlet valve which can be used pointed at the fabric. Just simply do like this. Now be careful when you zip the tube in again. We don't want to damage the new tube. There's a Velcro at the bottom of the air tube which needs to be put on the ground sheet. Like this. The next step is on the outside of the tent. Start by replacing the valve on the new tube. Remember the lid as well. Put the lid on the tube, gray tube first. Make sure that the inlet valve is placed correctly as well. And the tube is now ready to be used. We're now ready for the last step. Just reopen the valves on the inside and re-inflate the tent at the inflation point. Thank you for watching. For more information, go to outwell.com.